believe Desi will make use of it, as well as Bhupendra, who has to look at the heterotic grouping, which is what Dr. Kusal is saying all the in our maize breeding program. Thank you so much, sir. Now over to you, GP.
Yes, sir. Finally, sir, before I invite Professor S.K. Singh to give a very brief vote of thanks, I thank you very much for accepting our offer. This is our new initiative that we have started making presentations of the awards which are given by the society, so that people become aware of what the outstanding work is now being carried out. So this is the new initiative. Apart from this, we have also started series of lectures, and we will be definitely coming to all three of you, sir, very shortly. Professor Vasu Sahab, Professor Ravish Chatrath, and Prabhu Sahab. So this probably will serve in a better way in the present context of Corona. Now I invite Professor S.K. Singh to give a very brief.
Just a minute, sir. Can I have the anchor from Pune? Can I say just put a word to the society?
You may ask Chairman.
The anchor from Pune.
Yes, please go ahead.
Well, I take this opportunity from South to congratulate the awardees as well as the society. I just wish to express my concern, deep concern, with a question. How can the society encourage the GPB in the south of the country? Let us help in arresting the erosion of GPB in the south of the country, the peninsular India.
Okay, we have.
Well, I am also a culprit towards that, but let us help together.
So, Professor Nerkal Sahab, we have started new chapter, although this is not the occasion to tell all these things, but I would like to tell you that the Hyderabad chapter has been opened very recently, last month, and probably they will be looking after Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, and probably Maharashtra. So I invite Professor S.K. Singh for final word.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you, Dr. Singh. Honorable Chairperson Dr. K.V. Prabhu, respected President of our society Dr. G.P. Singh, jury members, Secretary Dr. R.K. Sharma, Editor Dr. Achay Talukdar, Treasurer Dr. Amit Kumar Singh, other executive members, today's speakers, Dr. Ravish Chatrath, Dr. Daisy, and Dr. Bhupendra Kumar, and most respected dignitaries like Professor R.B. Singh, Professor S.K. Bashal, Professor Sujay Rakshit, and others, and most valued members of our society, ladies and gentlemen, it's my proud privilege to have been asked to propose vote of thanks on this special occasion. I, on behalf of the Executive Committee and entire ISGPB family, and on my own behalf, extend a very hearty vote of thanks to Honorable Chairperson Dr. K.V. Prabhu, Chairperson PPBFR Authority, for conducting the session in wonderful way with his valued comments on all the presentations, and for very good information about the latest rules of registration and production of varieties and hybrids. I extend hearty vote of thanks to all honored speakers of the day like Dr. Ravish Chatrath, former Principal Scientist IIWBR Karnal and winner of Dr. B.P. Pal Lifetime Achievement Award, for highlighting his excellent works on wheat breeding and developing varieties for rust resistance, salinity, heat and lodging tolerance, as well as biofortified wheat varieties, and also developing database of wheat varieties till 2016, and many more works done by him. Dr. Daisy Basant Rai from Palampur and winner of Dr. M.S. Swaminathan Women Scientist Award for beautiful presentation of her works, who worked as multi-crop breeder and developed 4 varieties of soybean, 4 varieties of chickpea, 1 variety of lentil, 2 varieties of cowpea, one variety of urd bean, one variety of summer moong bean, one variety of horse gram, many varieties of rice, many varieties of wheat, which are doing well on farmers' field. And then Dr. Bhupendra Kumar, scientist at IIMR Delhi Center and winner of Dr. Joginder Singh Memorial Award for giving an excellent coverage of his extraordinary works on maize breeding and developing 12 maize hybrids in all the groups like field corn, hybrids, cupium, baby corn, popcorn, as well as strengthening seed production as well as their commercialization, and his many more outstanding works. I also express my sincere thanks on behalf of the society to all jury members for sparing their valuable time to select the best from the most competitive group of outstanding scientists. Well, ladies and gentlemen, an event like this cannot be accomplished easily. This job starts by requesting honorable jury members who completed their work on time. We have been fortunate enough to be backed by the most vibrant team of dedicated colleagues headed by our dynamic President Dr. G.P. Singh. I also thank all the dignitaries present on this auspicious occasion like Dr. R.B. Singh, Dr. S.K. Vashal, Dr. Sujay Ratchit and others who blessed this occasion with their wonderful words. Mr. Chairman, ladies and gentlemen, once again I want to state that we all are most grateful to all our learned speakers and also congratulate them for winning the prestigious awards of our renowned society ISGPB. Chairman sir, we thank you again for being with us at this occasion, which has given great pleasure to all of us. Thanking you all.
Thank you, sir. With this, we close this session, and thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.